Hey guys, Namaste and welcome back to Padma's Universe. It's all about food, people, and places. So I am in Chennai today, Madras. I love to call the city Madras. I like it better than Chennai. Do let me know what do you like to call the city, Madras or Chennai. So we reached early this morning and we are here exactly for 24 hours and we are staying at our cousin's place, my husband's cousin's place. And kids are not with us, so it's just me and my husband here, and we'll be returning this evening. So here we stopped by a tea stall. It's actually a breakfast place, a breakfast hotel. So we had our breakfast, but we could not have our tea. So we are done with our work and we are free for the entire day. So here we are having some hot piping chai. The tea what they make is really tasty, but I don't want to comment on the hygiene part, as you see. So now we'll be heading back home. I want to also have some jigar danda. So do catch up with my jigar danda video. Maybe I can give you the link below in the description box. It's a very famous drink. I call this Faluda cousin. It's very identical, looks a lot like Faluda, but it's not Faluda. Jigar Danda, that's how they pronounce it. It is a cold beverage which happens to originate from the city of Madurai in South India. And also this jigar means hot, and Thanda means cold in Hindi. So which means cool heart. That's the translation. And this is one of my favorite drinks. I never ever fail to have this whenever I visit Chennai. It's pretty hot and humid here, and I'm all the more enjoying my super cool Jigar Thanda. So we got some lunch ordered from this place called Junior Kuppan. Actually, I heard that they make some amazing biryani, especially the mutton biryani, and I was so tempted to taste it. So we ordered some chicken biryani and mutton biryani, and there's brain fry, there's chicken, and there's non-veg thali. So we're gonna taste a bit of everything, and I must tell you, the biryani was simply superb. So post lunch, a hearty lunch, we're gonna go grab some rest, a nap, and then we're going to start for the station because we have a train to catch. I am super duper excited because we are traveling by Shatabdi to Bangalore. This happens to be one of my favorite trains. This is the one of the fastest trains, and it happens to be one of the prestigious train. After it's I think it's ranked second to Rajdhani Express. Rajdhani Express, of course, is a long duration train. Shatabdi is a short duration train, and I've been so looking forward to travel by Shatabdi, and it's been few years since I traveled. We always choose to travel by car because we have kids traveling with us, so we generally leave very early in the morning and kids are asleep, so convenience per se, we always choose to travel by car. But since this time kids are not traveling with us, they are back home at Bangalore with my parents, we chose to travel by Shatabdi. And I love this station. We are at Chennai Central, and there's something about this station. I have so many memories attached because since kid I am traveling. I've been visiting the station and I absolutely love the energy and the feel of the station. So this is the Shatabdi train, and I also grabbed my favorite Tinkle book. So I'm gonna be going inside and I'm so excited, guys. I cannot tell you how excited I am. And that's the pantry, and they're gonna keep you feeding like anything, huh? So they are not gonna give you any rest. And that's my Tinkle. I am a big Tinkle fan. Do let me know if you love Tinkle too. I have loads of Tinkle book. In fact, I'm a subscriber and my kids love them too. So here I am. This is my seat and I'm all set to enjoy this wonderful Shatabdi journey. So the time is around 5:15 now, 5:30 p.m. sharp. The train is going to start and it'll reach Bangalore at around 10:30 p.m. and I think the train is on time. There's no delay, and by 11 I should be reaching home. So the train greets you with a packaged bottle of water, a newspaper, and then they serve you this mini snack tray. It's quite extensive, actually. It's not mini. So there's orange string, there's a samosa, there's some chatpata chana dal, and there is a sandwich, so which is pretty filling. Oh, there's Mysore Pak also. I didn't like it at all. hubby and me are having a lazy chit chat, and I'm enjoying this gorgeous sunset view while I'm snacking. And overall, it's so nice. I am so feeling good. It's such a beautiful distraction. I am absolutely loving it. I did not like the taste of this tea at all. It was wicked. Therefore, I'm gonna sip on my orange juice. So now I'm going to sit back and enjoy the view. Hey guys, do let me know if you also love traveling by train and what are your reasons. I have my memories attached to it because I used to stay up north, and every summer vacation I used to visit down south to visit my grandma, and we used to travel by train. And I have so many memories attached to train and the stations that every time I travel by train, which I do not do now, but whenever I get this rare opportunity to travel by train, I am super excited. I'm like a child again, and all my memories relive, and I cannot tell you how nostalgic I feel. And guys, I love window seats. So when I'm traveling by train, I must and should have a window seat. Please do let me know if you also love window seat. And yes, thank God I slept this afternoon. I had a wonderful nap, so I am feeling super fresh. I'm not feeling sleepy at all. So I'm listening to some music and chit-chatting with my husband, and then I'm enjoying this gorgeous view outside. It is not gorgeous, it's a very happy view. And then of course I'm reading my Tinkle, my all-time favorite Tinkle. So yes, it's nice. And I also feel happy when I happen to see the other train crossing by my train, and I also love watching the tracks change positions. Do you like all of these? Do let me know again in the comment section. So what is this? I have some breadsticks here, and there's some soup coming up, and they are serving us some soup, tomato soup I guess, and we have some butter. So soup was good, not bad. My husband didn't like it so much, but then it was hot. Since I did not have tea, I wanted to have something hot, so this was okay. And our dinner arrives. The time is around 8 p.m. and we ordered for one veg and one non-veg, so we thought we'll share and eat. Otherwise, both of us, me and my hubby, are non-vegetarians. So we have some common dishes, that is dal, rice, roti, curd, salad. Dal was okay. Otherwise, there was in the veg section, the additional thing which they give you is a mixed veg curry, which was again okay. And then there is pickle, of course. And in the non-veg, they give you an additional chicken dish, a chicken gravy, which was also okay. I mean, that is how much you can expect. The railway food will not be very tasty, it will be bland. And I did not like the rotis at all. It was thick, it was half cooked, undercooked, it was ugly, and it was wicked. So so I'm gonna stick to my dal. I did not like the chicken. Even the pieces were like fibery, and look at the rotis. How can somebody eat? You're gonna have major stomach upset if you eat these. And after a meal, we get a feedback form. They just give feedback form randomly to few people, and I happen to get one of these. I'm definitely going to mention about the rotis for sure in the comment section. And here we are getting some ice cream for our dessert, and this is the last meal of the day. And we reach Bangalore, and we're going to get down here at the cantonment station. The time is at I think it's around 10:45 I guess. So we got a cab and we are going home, so we should reach home by 11:15 max, because it takes no traffic, so it should not take more than like 20 minutes to reach home. So guys, I hope you liked watching my Shatabdi journey, and I really enjoyed making this vlog. And thank you so much for watching. Please do hit on the subscription button, it's absolutely free, and do not forget to hit on the notification button, the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you super soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.